Hello traders, and welcome back to Trading with Bill, Forex and Options on a Wednesday, November 4th, 2015. Helping losing traders become winning traders, and we do that as a group, as a team. We help each other, we help the new person, we get them off their feet, we get them trading. That's what it's all about, trading. Let's make some money, right? That's what it's all about. We can call it other things, but the bottom line is we want to make some profits, okay? Glad you're with me, coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand. We are about 90 minutes into the Euro session. It is currently 15:37 out of Pattaya, Thailand, and mid-afternoon, sunny skies, white sandy beaches, calm seas. Absolutely gorgeous today. Nice cool breeze. Absolutely wonderful. Traders, let me introduce myself to you. My name is William Gilday, but no, they call me Bill. Traders, I started trading in 2006. In 2008, I retired from a wonderful 27-year career as a firefighter paramedic out of the great state of Florida in the United States. 9 days later, I came to Thailand for a 3-month holiday to celebrate my retirement. And, well, traders, I'm in my 8th year in Thailand, and I'm still here. Absolutely love it. I didn't go home. I'm still here. Guess I'm still on vacation, but having a blast trading Forex and options every day. I'm always looking for opportunities and probabilities on my side to be profitable in all my trades. And no, I do not win all my trades, as you will see very shortly. We do take losses. That's just part of trading. You just have to have good money management skills. I like to listen to fundamentals. I don't trade fundamentals. In other words, I don't trade the numbers. I might trade the result of the numbers. I might trade what happened after the numbers, but I don't trade the actual news event. I'm a technician more. I like charts. I like looking at candlesticks patterns, support, resistance, price structure, harmonics. I like looking at all that stuff. Ichimoku clouds, I think they're just really great help for support and resistance. They can really help you out. And that's how I trade. And you'll get a look at that as we move along, and we'll move into some charts and stuff. But let's get this legal stuff out of the way. This is our risk disclaimer. Forex and options trading has a large potential rewards, but also a large potential of risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the Forex and options market. Traders, most importantly, please do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Do not be trading your rent or your mortgage or your car payment or your food money just to put on a trade. Traders, always remember that past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. All right, let's get to it. Let's get over to, I just wanted to show you my platform. I will tell you that I do use NinjaTrader. If you go to my website, tradingwithbill.com, you can get all your information on NinjaTrader. I have a direct link with them, so you can go there. No, I don't get anything if you purchase a NinjaTrader platform or go with NinjaTrader. I do not get a thing, okay? So it's not like I'm trying to sell you anything. I wanted to show you this for a couple of reasons. One is that if this platform has been on for 7 hours, and there's nothing in the alerts log. If you look at the top right-hand corner, there is nothing in the alerts log. What does that tell you, my friends? That tells you that this is a slow day. There's no price action. We'll take a look at that Euro-Yen pair in just a second on a live chart. But that's why I wanted to show you this platform. And this setup, by the way, is through fxgroundworks.com. If you're into harmonics or you want to learn about harmonics, please go visit Chris. And I've known Chris for years, and I just really enjoy his platform, and he does great work. Really enjoy being around him and listening to him. And they got a great group over there. And like I said, I've known Chris a long time, years and years and years. So good stuff. All right, let's take a look at that Euro-Yen. This is a setup that I did in the Asia session. And basically what I was looking for was this to pull back up to this area here, which is 132.27, 133.27, and I wanted to take this and then short it. Look at these candles, though. Like I said, I've been in this trade now since, I don't know, 7 hours, right? And look at this. Nothing. Just absolutely nothing. No price action, no nothing. That's why there's nothing in my alerts log, right? There is just nothing going on there, folks. You can see on the top that's resistance, on the bottom is support. And if you look all the way left of the chart, you can see my attractive line, or they call it, some people call it a personal bias line. That's that blue line right there. We're not even close to that. I mean, we have no price action at all. I think this is the calm before the storm. We got a lot of data coming out, a lot of people talking. Draghi has probably finished his speech by the time you'll see this, but really has not said anything new. Basically the same old stuff. But hasn't said anything. The news, the talk in the background is TradeTheNews.com. That's my news feed. I left it on today so you guys can hear it. So let's take a look at the euro dollar. This is a 30-minute chart, and again, look at we did get some price action to the downside, comes back up. Now that red candle and this up candle is from the Draghi speech. So this is not like this happened, but if you look through the whole day, it's been a pretty boring day. It's sideways, and it's just really, if you're a scalper, you had a great day. But if you're any kind of a position trader or a swing trader, you had a tough day at it because you probably got stopped out, or got break even plus 3 pips and came back to your computer and saw that you were out with 3 pips, right? And it's been this way for the last 2 days. Yesterday was the same. I only grabbed 16 pips yesterday out of the euro dollar. And I kicked myself because I should have just left it alone and left it overnight. And I would have come down to my profit area, which was at 0.930, believe it or not. And look at where price is 30 minutes ago at 0.930. So, yeah, I would have ended up hitting my profit area, and I was getting in at 0.985, I think is where I was getting in at. So would have been a nice little trade. New York really brought it down yesterday, and here we are now, and we're sideways and doing nothing. So that's all I have for Forex. Just be really careful. We've got a lot of data coming out, and this week is just going to be a little crazy. And I'm not saying not to take trades. Man, you have to take trades. If you don't take trades, you don't have a chance at it. So take trades, and just be aware that we have this data coming out. No one is coming out. Protect yourself. What do I mean by that? People, I'm surprised nobody's asked me what I mean by that. So let's say data's coming out, and you're in a trade, and you're 30 pips in profit, right? Say you're a day trader like me. You're 30 pips in profit, 25 pips in profit. Data's coming out. What I'm saying is move to break even plus 7. This way, if you get swung or hit by this data, you're not gonna lose anything. It's better than it swinging and hitting your stop loss and getting knocked out, right? That's what I mean by protecting your position. If you're not in profit, just keep it there and hope the data goes in your favor, right? Or get out of the trade with the loss that you're in. That's something you have to look at and see if that's relevant with your trade management. Okay, so when I talk about data's coming out and protect your position, that's what I'm talking about. All right, let's head on over to options. Got some stuff to talk about in options. Okay, so we entered a new position yesterday in the New York session. I'll tell you, we have a time change took effect here in the U.S. last weekend. Really doesn't affect me in Thailand, other than the New York session for me opens at 3:30. 9:30 p.m. 21:30 hours p.m. Thailand time opens the New York session, which means that if I stay in it for 3 hours, it's like midnight before I'm getting out and going to sleep, which is unfortunately a little late. So I only make it to for about 2 hours in New York. So I've got to be pretty much ready to go once New York opens. I always wait 15 minutes before I enter a trade. So we entered this Expedia trade. Now, if you take a look at it, we've got 37 days till we can get out of this trade. Yesterday we were $29 in profit, and that's where we stand at the moment. However, it's really $20 because that $9.50 is going to get subtracted for that. So today's PL, when the market opens, will be $20. However, I can only make $86 on this trade, right? So even though this is far out, I only put one contract on. I've never traded Expedia before, so I trade a lot. I just don't trade big, right? Trade small. It's okay. So if we get up to like $60, $65, $70, I'm just going to get out of it, right? And if I get out of it in 7 days or 8 days or 3 days, who cares? But this trade goes for another 37 days. So I got plenty of time. If it needs adjustments, if I have to do anything to change anything, I can do it. I'm ready to go. Our Nike trade is in profit. However, we're not doing real well. So the PL open is 106.50, which is great. So we're doing well there. So we'll just have to keep an eye on that. I might exit this trade, but we're going to look at a chart, okay? Spiders, I'm in negative. This is bringing my negativity here. Like I said, sometimes you lose trades. Now, the U.S. market had an update for 2 days, and it's really taken off. And if you look over here at the -3, it says ITM. What does that mean? In the money. So I'm negative on this. So just keep an eye on these. So we need to watch this. So this was a 210, 212 trade, vertical spread. And so I need this to be below 210 before Friday's expiration. So we need a down day so I can get out of this, even if it's before Friday, just to get in profit. But I'd really like to make some profit on this. This is a good trade, and we'll take a look at it. So let's get over to the charts real quick here. Wow, we're 11 minutes already. Okay, so here's our Expedia trade, and we're in a vertical spread. We want this to head back to the downside, and like I said, we got a long ways to go. We're at resistance now. We're looking for this to go down. Look at this. Stochastics to the downside, DNA to the downside. Hopefully we'll get a down day today. I'd love for this to come back down to 130, 131, and I could probably get out of this by Friday and make $60 or $70 on this in 3 days instead of 37. But if you look at the weekly chart, we're currently on a doji, right? And we still have 3 New York trading sessions to go, but we're on a doji. So that's what's going on with Expedia.com. All right, let's move along. Here's our Nike trade. We're up at this 131.93 level here. We're okay. But I really want this to keep sinking here. I needed to break this and just come on down here. I'd love this to come down to like 128 by Friday. Just come down to this here. What's that? 129.50, somewhere in there. Come on down. And we ended up with a doji yesterday. 2 days we've ended up with a doji on this. I really don't like that. I just wish this would just pop. Can't break this 130 level. I needed to get down below this 130 level. However, my market DNA looks good, but my stochastics does not look good. My stochastics tells me this wants another update. So we'll see what happened. But if you take a look at the weekly chart, volume was very low yesterday. Very low yesterday on the weekly chart. This is a volume indicator on the bottom of the chart here. Very low. And, I didn't mention, but Expedia has dividends comes out today, which is, so keep an eye on that. All right, so what do we got here? Let's go to the spiders. Here's our spiders trade. Man, we are in the dust on this one. I really need this to come back down. We need this to get down below 210, folks. We're at 211, right? 211, we need this back down at 208, right? We need this back down to this, A-span line here, right? 208, 207.50, somewhere back here. We need this. We need a down day. We need a good down day on the spiders, and sometime in the next few days, so I can get out of this with profit. And so that's what's going on. But I got to tell you, this daily chart does not look bearish at all, folks. The only good thing is that volume is really not that big, and we want to see some volume take this to the downside. And unfortunately, or fortunately, volume's going to lessen up as we get closer to NFP Friday. Okay? So that's what's going on there. All right, looks like we're going to be just on time. I like when we get to 15 minutes. Traders, please come visit me at tradingwithbill.com. It's my website. I do a Forex analysis chart every day. And also you can go to the video channel and check out this video and all my past videos is on that channel. And please visit me at Twitter and follow me at WKG1960. Remember, we're here helping losing traders become winning traders. Traders, have a great trading day, and we will talk to you tomorrow. Remember, I do not do a video on NFP Friday. Okay, traders, have a great trading day. We'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.